In this episode, researchers reveal how migratory birds read Earth's magnetic field like a celestial compass, guiding them thousands of miles. Tiny magnetoreceptors in their eyes help translate field lines into visual cues, a natural GPS built into living beings. Studies show disruptions in magnetism can confuse routes, turning long migrations into bewildering detours across continents. Scientists compare this internal map to a layered atlas where latitude, longitude, and even time of day influence decisions. The wonder lies not just in distance, but in the precision of a nature-engineered navigation system that evolved over millennia.